If you're looking to buy your first drone and looking for the best cheap drone under $150, then you are in luck. Today we are going to review Eachine EX3 2K GPS drone and find out why this is the best drone under $150. This drone is manufactured for different companies and called different names, for example MJX Bugs 4W and JJRC X11, but they're all the same down to the specifications. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Let's do a drone unboxing and see what's included in the box. In the box we have one Eachine EX2K GPS quadcopter drone, one remote controller, 7.6 volt 3400 mAh battery, dual battery charger, USB charging cable, spare propellers, user manual, and screwdriver. Let's talk about the build quality and design of this drone. On first glance, Eachine EX3 is an incredible well-built and portable foldable drone. Its body is made of high-grade materials. So if you're a new user with no previous flight experience, you will not have to worry about accidentally crashing this quadcopter, because it is made with a combination of lightweight aluminum with durable ABS plastic. In addition to that, these foldable motors arms provide extra protection layer to its internal components. Now let's look at the features of this drone. The Eachine EX3 drone is packed with ton of features. It is equipped with 2K high definition camera, can record video in 2K 30 frames per second with 8 megapixel CMOS sensor. Camera angle can be remotely controlled to pitch -90 degrees to 0 degrees. It also has GPS, brushless motors, foldable design, FPV with 5G Wi-Fi connection, single axis mechanical gimbal, ultrasonic sensor, optical flow positioning, also other features like follow me, point of interest, one button takeoff and landing, 4 colorful LED lights. Intelligent flight mode includes headless mode with smart return home function. So if you enjoy traveling around but don't want to miss out on special moments, this is where Eachine EX3 comes into play. Thanks to its foldable motor arms, it is both compact and portable. You can easily store it inside a travel case or backpack. Now let's look at the remote controller. The Eachine EX3 drone's remote controller appears to be crafted with exceptional high quality materials that gives it a jet black coating. In addition to that, it has a built-in LCD screen that tells you the status of the drone, such as battery, height level, altitude mode, and more. The buttons are simple and makes it very easy for beginners to learn how to fly a drone. You can insert your personal smartphone into the remote controller. Connect your smartphone via app to the drone and start capturing stills and record videos. The smartphone will allow you to view video in real time, enabling you to experience first-person view mode that makes flying the drone even more exciting. Let's talk about the performance of Eachine EX3 drone. This foldable GPS drone has a maximum remote control distance up to 1000 meters. Its flight battery capacity supports up to 20 minutes of flight time. Although the Eachine EX3 drone flight performance is one of the best we have seen so far for under $150 price point, this intelligent camera drone features ultrasonic altitude system that automatically adjusts its altitude level. In addition to that, the drone is assisted by GPS module that provides the precise and stable hovering position. The drone has other notable features like headless mode and smart return home function. The drone can also use 5G Wi-Fi function with FPV to connect to your phone app and can stream real-time video transmission to the phone. The 2K Full HD camera's single-axis mechanical gimbal can reduce shake and keep video and photo shoots stable. Drone's ultrasonic sensor assists barometer to keep super stable altitude hold. The drone's optical flow sensor provides the real-time optical flow information, and intelligent flight mode gives this drone the ability to fly autonomously on its own without the need of a manual control. You can also create your own flight path and have the drone follow it as the drone records. In addition to that, its built-in GPS module makes it simpler and easier for beginners to recall the drone. Should you not know where your drone is, simply push Smart Return Home button and drone will automatically fly back to its home point. The drone's 2K high definition camera can record video in 2K 30 frames per second with 8 megapixel CMOS sensor. The video quality is okay, not a really high definition and nowhere near 2K resolution. The single axis camera gimbal struggles to keep the video stable, but we cannot complain considering its price point. I will let you be the judge as you watch this video recording footage from the drone's camera. Eachine EX3 is a great quadcopter with impressive features and flying capabilities. Also, it is incredibly easy to fly even for anyone who has never flown a quadcopter drone before. The integration of GPS module not only makes the drone a strong performer, but a smart drone can perform autonomously. Its built-in one-axis gimbal camera might not be the best camera compared to other camera drones such as DJI Spark or Mavic Air, but considering its price point, I cannot complain. So if you're in the market to get your hands on one of the best cheap GPS drones under $150, we think the Eachine EX3 GPS quadcopter drone is the right choice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.